Kynhun Nongrwai na Shillong ke Summersalt mentah ke kenti kelalong kloy ban Pynmih ke Thup Jingrwai ke baar kaban sedang nadu ke arpu kendai tadi ujeliu hajar arpu kabadai ru ke si kha jung khot jong ka Kynhun uba bayai ne si shangpliang blaklat no mentala arsnem ke jing Pynmih ke Jingrwai mlu kan sei na ki trop jong ka Kynhun ya ki jing phla ki bandon hakikat weitli ki Jingrwai ki ban sami ka wei hadin ka wei haki hinyau benai ki ban wan haki pathai khubor la jong ani ki social media ka Kynhun Summersalt ka lapan pau ya ka jing persang ban bu sa kan mau ya ka lariti ka jat benriu bat ka jing ithiang ka maryang jong ka rilum khasi da ka babu kumni ki rana blum ki im ha ka jing hap jai jai jong Islam ulu o ha ka buram ubaya kendu hasi teng sun bat ki lum jerngam henrei nimla ban penkut no hangta klem karwai ka siau bat ka bam ka di banyale kemen hagi jingkur khu ba najrong ya ka jing im ban shngan ka shnong ka thau ngin Pynmih ya ka jing ang nut umen barim.
So that's how it started. And like I said, the album is a collection of 11 songs, and it is very unusual in this day and age to come up with an album of this many songs, because the intention of the people is very the frequency is not as it used to be in terms of attention. They say that you got 3 minutes to pitch it, and to a child you got some 12 seconds, or else you lose it. So the RJ is actually nodding their head because they know exactly what we're talking about. But yes, 11 songs, and these songs will be, the stories of the Khasi Hills and the stories of the hill people and the social nitty-gritty and the engagement, that we actually want to delve in. And they can be sarcastic, they can be full of life, and you will find anger in it, and you will find politics in it perhaps, but good politics. But you also find, fun songs.
Through this partnership with the Summersalt, we hope that it will provide platform for our communities. Currently, we are working with 100 communities in Meghalaya and 30 communities in Nagaland, especially young people, to showcase the importance of local farming, local livelihood, local wild food and nutrition in their day-to-day life, and that it needs to be sustained. We therefore hope that this video will inspire young people to become beacons of hope for the sustainable future that we want. We hope that also this video will inspire other songwriters to develop songs and lyrics that will promote local food systems like shifting cultivation, bone cultivation, paddy field, and other food systems that we have. Through such songs and videos, we also seek to build the networks with other farmers, not from Meghalaya, but other farmers from the other states. This video will also reflect our close relationship with our nature, and we hope that the indigenous knowledge system will thrive in the future generations. Last but not the least, I take this opportunity to thank once again to Bucket and his band Summersalt for always inspiring us through their never-ending beautiful music creations that have always kept our culture and identity at the